been through 2 windshields. Get saucy.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
My name is Lucas Oshesky. I have 4 ZV612s on an MD 8K V1, 1 per sub, wired at half ohm.
How big is the box?
It is 2.5 cube per sub.
Did you ever try mounting the subs inverted?
I had 315s in here before inverted.
Okay.
And I was in wall classes, so I didn't want to play in wall classes anymore.
Got it. That's smart. And who built the box?
Me?
Okay. Triple baffle, looks good. And you said you were doing 55s on 412s.
Yep.
Man, that's insane. And you haven't had any windshield issues?
I've already been through 2 windshields.
Man,
the windshield is reinforced with a steel bar.
Okay.
It's got 31 tubes of PL3X in the roof. It's got birch in between each beam, and it's got 20 square feet of double rigid in the roof.
You can't even tell with the. You wanted to keep it looking stock. Yeah. So you get in here and you don't realize that you've done some work on that roof.
Yeah, I can literally hop on the roof and jump on it.
Wow, that's good. That's what you want it for pressure. Anything in the bottom cabin? On the floor?
The floor has, I got about 6 boxes of roadkill.
Wow.
Through the whole car.
All right. And what about your electrical side before the demo?
So we have under the enclosure itself, it has a 90 C-Max with a 320 amp alt. And we have 2 runs of power, 2 runs of ground, straight from the battery delete. Okay. I'm just impressed on how little subs I have. Yeah. And how loud it is.
Yeah, instead of doing 415s or 318s or something, you have 412s. Man. And that airport's helped a lot with that SPL score, keeping that. Instead of being, because most people would have done probably a 10-inch or 2 8s.
Yep. Or they would have done a slot port.
Slot port,
at the very bottom of the box to try to load off the door.
Have you always liked airports more?
I like the because they're more efficient, I feel.
Yeah. It doesn't take as much space either always, and you can adjust if needed.
Yes.
You ever done a depth adjustment on that port?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
So what we did on the car is when I first did the enclosure, we were tuned a little higher, about 38 hertz. So we did a quarter wave measurement and tuned it to the quarter wave, and it gained like 3 dB.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good. All right.
So that's why it's 36 hertz.
Okay. Makes sense.
So I can play from 28 all the way up to 50.
Good bandwidth too.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I was watch the clock.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll shut the door for you. So you can get out. We don't want to bang doors.
No, you're good. I didn't hit it.
No, you're good, man. But yeah. Then we got all, I'll show you.
Yeah.
Nice, clean under here too.
Wow, that's a big port.
Each sub has its own 8K.
Whoa. So this is like really big port for 412s. What made you do a 12 over a 10-inch port?
I had this port. I got this port cheap.
Okay.
I got a deal on it in my hometown.
Nice.
So I was like, let's go, bigger go home.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. I bet you it does good on the meter.
It does 55 6s.
Really? Wow, that's good. Okay.
Rise is about 1.8. It's wired at half ohm.
Half ohm. So half ohm on each sub per 8. Man.
I did that to accommodate for rise because I had 2 amps on there. I had 3.8 of rise. So I put 2 more amps on there, got more power.
Yeah. Okay.
I can't leave it alone. It's another
We'll come and check out inside. Oh, this is Toyota RAV4. All right. Like really good for no. I'm sure you get a lot of people that say that.
Yeah.
Man, that's insane. Appreciate it, man.
Uh-huh.
You have a good day. Yeah, that was great.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at